In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools with Airbnb 2026, step by step. First, open your favorite AI writing tool. Options like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Claude work well. Give it a clear prompt, for example. Write a compelling Airbnb listing description for a two-bedroom condo near downtown with fast Wi-Fi, pool access, and free parking. Make it friendly and SEO optimized. Let the model draft the description, then copy and edit it to fit your place precisely. Double check that amenities are accurate, spell out house rules, and highlight nearby attractions guests actually care about, like walkable restaurants or transit. Keep your tone warm and trustworthy. When you're happy, paste it into Airbnb by going to listings, then description, and save. This alone can turn a decent listing into one that converts more browsers into bookings. Next, use AI for smart pricing. Dynamic pricing tools can read local demand, seasonality, competitor rates, and events so you don't have to guess. Connect your Airbnb listing to the tool, set a sensible minimum and maximum nightly rate, and let the AI adjust daily. Start with guardrails you're comfortable with and review the first couple of weeks to ensure it matches your goals. The result is typically higher occupancy and stronger revenue without constant manual tweaks. You can also automate guest messaging with AI. Set up templates for booking confirmations, check-in details, mid-stay reminders, checkout instructions, and polite review requests. For example, "Hi there, we're excited to host you. Check-in is at 3 p.m. Your door code will be sent on the morning of arrival. Let us know if you need anything." Keep messages friendly, helpful, and concise. Schedule them to send at the right moments, and handle sensitive information only through Airbnb's messaging for safety. For added peace of mind, consider AI-assisted guest screening. Some tools analyze guest reviews, booking behavior, and other risk signals to help you spot potential issues. This complements Airbnb's verification and can add an extra layer of protection. Always apply screening consistently and in line with platform policies and fair housing rules. AI can also help you respond to reviews. Paste a guest's review into your tool and ask for a warm, professional reply. Tweak it to reflect your voice and address any specifics mentioned. This saves time while keeping your brand tone consistent. Finally, enhance photos with AI, improve lighting, remove minor clutter, virtually stage empty rooms, and fine-tune colors so spaces look bright and inviting. Better visuals attract more clicks, but don't misrepresent your listing. Enhancements should reflect reality. Put these strategies together, and you'll work smarter, delight guests, and grow revenue with confidence.